Hey guys, this is Felicia Richardson, and this is my introduction for the class. I'm a ninth grade teacher, and I teach literature and composition at Charlie A. Junior High School in Colquitt County, and that's Moultrie, Georgia. I'm going to be going over the 4 topics that we were asked to do, things that about me professionally and personally that might help you understand who I am and what I'm bringing to the table, memorable issues that I have with gifted and advanced learners, and my most favorite and least favorite aspects of engaging gifted learners. So first of all, as you can see, I graduated from Valdosta State University in 2012 with an English degree. However, I was not hired as a teacher until the next year and in 2013. I was originally hired as a drama teacher, but I was given 2 accelerated English classes. Since then, I've transitioned into only teaching honors and accelerated English. But all of my experience has come from a classroom of gifted and talented students. So that kind of alters my perspective a little bit when it comes to certain things because I have not experienced or do not have background in anything other than the gifted and talented classroom. Memorable issues that I have with my gifted and talented learners are that, and I think this can be applied to all students actually, but they just have this inability to manage their time and understand the task that they're going to be asked to do and its complexity. They have been successful up to this point without putting very much effort into anything. But once they get into the upper grades, 9th grade and on, they have to actually put more time and effort into it. And it's a really difficult skill for them to learn, and it's hard for them to change that mindset. This picture right here always kind of makes me giggle, makes me laugh, because this is what I'm talking about. This student right here, he turned in a project late, and I told him I would not accept it unless they wrote a letter to me explaining why it was turned in late. And as you can see, he's very smooth with his words, and he's just really not used to having to deal with consequences with anything, even turning in late work and understanding what he had to do in the first place. My most favorite aspect of engaging with gifted learners is that they just have such a beautiful mind. They really think about things abstractly and in such a unique way, and it's just always fun to kind of watch that come to fruition. But my least favorite aspect of engaging with gifted learners is that they, even if the activity is relevant and engaging and current and it will help them understand the topic differently, they just really refuse to connect. They get bored very easily, and it's just a constant struggle in the classroom to get them to buy in. But that's my introduction, and I thank you guys for watching. See ya.